Order filled.
We are in this trade, boys. Now I'm just going to put in our fib settings. She's now gobbling the fucking neighbour, bruv. Bruv, even Ned Flanders would get it with her, bruv. You are fucking strange. Have a good one. YouTube's very strong support and resistance levels where it's very clear that it could easily reverse. I will pull out early if need be. Yo boys, today is day 4 of passing a futures prop form using the MambaFX breakout strategy. Just before we get into the trade though boys, yo, I put a little bit of something in. I put a little bit of looking at cars and shit, bit of boxing. But if you want to see more vlog style content within these videos, please feel free to drop it below. Let me know what you want to see and we'll fucking get to it. What's what I'm saying?
What you saying, boy?
What are you saying?
What are you saying, boy?
This is fire, isn't it, bro? Bring it in the good old YouTubes. Right, boy. Oh.
Again, very different to the previous generation. This is
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Bro, you'll definitely feel like you're in a...
Bro, you are odd, bro. You are fucking weird, bro. Yo, so can I just give some context? So this guy was in my free community, right, on Discord, and he came into the group and he started planning out a bunch of essays, then went into the group and started giving everyone in the group shit, complaining about this guy, trying to say I'm a scammer, tell this guy that he's a scammer and that he's in with me. I've never met these motherfuckers in my life, and he's trying to be like, yo, scammer, and I'm doing this bullshit, I can't do this, I'm doing this wrong. He's trying to make out as if I'm teaching something. Basically, I went on a 20-minute call with this guy after he sent me a message, right? This is actually the call the day after. But I went on a call with this guy for 20 minutes, and I really wanted to understand, like, this guy thinks I'm a scammer. Like, one, I'm not selling anything. Two, I don't ask for anyone's details. Like, how the fuck can I be scamming? I'm just curious. I really want to get to understand, like, why the fuck someone would think I'm scamming, of all people, when I've shown you all me losing accounts, blowing accounts, losing money. And clearly you all know I'm an unprofitable trader, tracking my journey to get there. So I was like, okay, cool, jump on a call with him. 20 minutes go by. I really got curious. I didn't jump on a call being rude with the guy. But then he comes into my comments after the call, messages on all my videos, scammer, starts giving shit to people in my group, calling them dickheads, calling them blah, 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 all this shit, right? I had to ban him. I had to ban him from the free community because he's acting like a little bitch, like as if he was some toxic girlfriend, right? And I'm like, I had to deal with some fucking grown-ass man acting like a little bitch. Like, what? Anyway, I wake up the next morning. Man, he's called me in the morning at like whatever fucking 0:00 in the morning. I'm like, bruv, what is this guy doing? So this is why now I jump on a call and I'm the way I am. I wasn't initially like this, but this is why I am now. Just for context.
I love you. I just don't like how you're trading. I just don't like how you're doing things. I don't like how you're clickbaiting people.
Bro, what is wrong with you, bro? Just fucking get a life, bro. Why are you so bothered about what I'm doing? Why do you care
Because you're
what I'm doing, bro?
teaching people the wrong fucking way.
Well, why don't you go get a fucking YouTube channel and do some shit yourself, you silly cunt? Fucking hell.
I used to.
Oh, what happened there?
I lost my wife because I was too busy trading all
weird,
the
bro. That's why you lost your wife. Your wife went and got some next dick to go and gobble on. She's now gobbling the fucking neighbour, bruv. Bro, even Ned Flanders would get it with her, bruv. You are fucking strange. Have a good one. Take it, bruv. Do not be this guy. This guy is fucking odd. This guy's been messaging me. He's been messaging my group. He's been spamming members saying I'm scamming. Bruv, I don't fucking sell out. You all know I'm fucking clearly not a profitable trade. Bruv, I'm blowing accounts on my YouTube. The P&L's there. Bro, it's fucking raucous, bro. It's ridiculous. Mental. Bro, still calling me back. Oh, I'm blocking this guy. I can't. Bro. Bro, what do you want? What do you want now?
Why are you so upset?
What do you want now, bro? In a bit. Fuck off, you silly cunt. I got shit to do, bro. You think this is all I do? Bro, not fucking chat shit to weird little bastards losing their wife and getting fucking upset 'cause she's gobbling next man's dick. Bro, Meanwhile, his wife is, bro, oh, I lost my wife because of trading. No, bro, you lost your wife because you're a fucking weird little dumb, bro. But yo, bro, I know you're watching this video right now. Just know, your wife is getting fucking... This is what's happening. This is what's happening. Whilst you're laid, right, in your room, she's next door with an herb and all. That's why you're pissed off at me. I get it. I completely get it. If my gal, my wife was doing the same shit, I get it. Time. Yo, boys, so I'm just setting up. Got the charts in front of me. This is Trader. Got some fucking steak, eggs, avocado. Boys, we ain't fucking playing no more. Come on. So, yeah, I can be one of them fucking fannies on Instagram. I could have put it on a fucking wooden bar like all them fannies do. But going out today, boys. Fucking sending it, come on. Yo, so market has just opened, boys. Let's see what happens. Oh, my God. That's a big push. That's a very big push. That could be a wick out though. I don't want to be taking trades immediately, especially when it's wick outs like that. But that is definitely pushing. Wait for the retracement, that's what we want. I want a nice retracement like that. And then wait for a second push. If we were being really aggressive and if we wanted to like really fucking get rough and ready, we could take a sell off of here, so it'd be like that. But I feel like being conservative. We're kind of in like a little bit of a channel here as well, I can see. But yeah, I do like that rejection. I don't want to be taking that trade. So we've taken a lot of liquidity. So now we could enter into a sell, right? Do we take it? That's the question. No, we don't. It's bullish as fuck. Alright, we're in.
Order filled.
We are in this trade, boys. Now I'm just going to put in our fib settings. Real quick, if you want these fib settings, they're in my fucking description. So keep on asking me in the comments, but look in the description. It's literally just there. Have I under risked? I've under risked, innit? Now, to be honest with you, there's going to be a strong rejection at this point here. Alright. I've under risked, I think. Oh, boys, I've under risked. I keep getting the risk wrong on this fucking shit, man. I'll get there in the end. So, yo, this is like the proper first trade, you know what I'm saying? But look, futures is beautiful, man. I can't even lie. Okay, cool. How do I add in? I need to add a stop in now. So, stops are going to go to break even. So, if I remember, boys, if I remember this correctly, let me remember how to add my fucking stop loss. Is it buy limit? Is it sell stop? Sell stop? Oh shit, boys, I'm everywhere. What is it now? Sell stop? Oh, bro, I just need to quickly fucking. I don't have time. I don't have time to do that. I don't know. I be in and out of Texas the same way that I be. I've under risked, innit? Fucking course I have. Going for that 1-2. Going for that 1 or 2. I've got all this back here as well. So look, boys, here we are. I'm at a 1-2, but I'm up $357. Obviously, I'm 50% of risk right now. I should be at $700 if I'm following my right risk management plan. But what happened is in this situation is I'm spending bullshit time on like, how do I put my stops to break even when I'm fucking 2 hour up and I should already be out. I should be out. This moment in this trade, I should have exited and I shouldn't even be in the trade. But because I was so fucking retardedly focused on trying to put my stop loss to break even, I completely missed the whole thing, not even paying attention. I think when seeing 357, I'm like, oh, I'm 1 hour up, forgetting I've just under risked, like, me. But yo, today was a W trade. It's just buy stop. Sell, stop. Oh shit, we hit our 1 to 2 and I'm no shit, no. Who's gonna do some fat reversal shit?
Stop field.
What? Ah, what? Yeah, well, there it is. I now finally know how to use my fucking stop loss. Because today I used it, but I just didn't use it right. I left it like middle of fucking here thinking I'm forgetting about it. Bro, my ADHD was fucking wigging today. But yeah, boys, I do finally, for all you motherfuckers letting me know and helping me in the comments how to use a fucking stop loss, the most simple, basic, bullshit fucking task there is in trading, I've learned. So, we're all good. I have everything I need to know now to go make some fucking billion, quadrillion dollars and get some Spanish bitches. Boys, what the fuck did I just do? Oh my fucking gosh. What do you mean stop fill? What the fuck did I do? Let me just get out of this shit.
Order fill.
I don't know what the fuck I've just done. So basically what I was meant to do when it hits the fucking 2 hours, I was meant to be bosh, I was meant to be out, and that was it. Right, so let me bang this in here now. So day 4. W trade. So boys, I'm going to put the screenshot of today into today's trade. I'll actually put the date next to these as well. But you'll be able to come in here, check the trade of every single day, right? Then I'm going to put it to the P&L. Yesterday was a no trade day. So Monday was here. I did watch the trades and I did mark it up. I just didn't enter. It was a bank holiday. And I was out and I had a really, really bad signal. Had some wick outs. We had a wick out to the upside immediately. Too early, I wouldn't have entered on that when I was watching. They went immediately down to the downside and it just fucked around. But yeah, break even, because if we did enter, either way, if we did enter, we would have hit a 1-to-1 and stops at break even. So that was yesterday, right? So we'd have made nothing yesterday. Today is a beautiful trade, a winning day trade. That should have been a 2-hour. I was just fucking around with a bullshit stop loss like a dickhead. Messing around too much there, to be honest with you. Not happy with the way I traded. But I'm just still getting used to the whole fucking bullshit. Last week, the stop loss was usually like 30 pips. Today it was like 17. I should have used double the amount, basically. Call it 15. Call the stop loss 15 today, and last week I was using 30. Risking $300 a trade, around $350 a trade, right? Today, I've used half the size of a stop loss, but I've used the same exact micros, meaning I under risked by like 50% today. This should have been 10 or at least 1 minute, right? So I fucked up there. And then 2, the stop loss, bro, it's like stupid shit like this for me, and it like, oh, how do I put the stop loss in? I've watched so many videos of it, but when it like came into it, then I just like wasn't fully sure for some fucking reason. But overall, today we made $126. Yeah, bad trading from me today. I should have been out at that 1-to-2. Too much fucking around, if I'm honest with you. So check it out. What I'm going to do tomorrow, right? Instead of coming on late and shit and like thinking that the fucking risk is the same. So look, one thing I want to mention, right? Obviously, I've done all the back testing, right? Yeah, on my strategy. One thing I want to mention, one thing I realized whilst doing this is you can't have the same stop loss size every single day. That's what I realized. Because the market moves way different. Volatility one day is just not the same another. And so for me to go, oh, I'm going to have a 20 pip stop every single day, same size lots, same size fucking micros, minis, whatever you want to use, it don't work. And I realized this. The market is different and changes every single day, right? Look, for example, let me pull up here, right? So this is just an example of when I've backtested, right? This day was a 10 pip stop, right? This day was 15. This day was 15. Now this day was 30 pips, so this was double the size. Understand, every time I put my stop loss up, it's always below support. That's how I place it. So in my strategy, I've set it so that the stop loss is below previous support, right? Okay, cool. So if we go again, this day is 35. Again, you can see it's under previous support. We go further back, see another day. This day is 16. Again, previous support, below previous support, right? Set. This day, 15 pips. Look, what I'm trying to tell you is the market is different every single day. And hence why, like, having the same size of lots every single day is just not going to be sufficient if you're trying to risk manage properly, like really proper, especially on prop firms, because risk management is everything, right? We've got to be so fucking precise. So I realized that. So that's one thing I can't do. Now, there's averages. Usually I'm seeing the stop loss is usually between 15 and 20. It's like 30 pips on a fucking choppy day, 15 on a tight day, right? 10 on a very, very tight day. But that's very risky. So usually between 15 and 20 is ideal. So, yeah, again, as well, one thing I do mention as well in my strategy is I look for, even though I want to go for 1 to 2 every day, I do also need to keep in mind, and you need to keep attention to previous support or resistance in between 1 to 2 hour, because very simply put, these are very strong points, especially like today. This is a very strong reversal zone, hence why it had a hard time today. So I do keep in mind. So even though I'm looking for a 1 to 2 hour, if on occasional days where there's very strong support and resistance levels where it's very clear that it could easily reverse, I will pull out early if need be, just because it makes sense, right? But yeah, keep it moving, boys. Okay, man. What I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to come on. This is going to be my plan. Somebody else can tell me if like there's better ways of doing this shit, but right. Let's say, for example, buy. I'm going to come here. I did this last week. I just didn't do it today for some fucking stupid reason. I'm going to come here and say, okay, cool. Right, so today I was risking $155, right? Mad, look at that. So today I was risking $155 and I made 100. So basically I hit a 1-to-1 today, right? Which is shit, because that's like 0.5 of like what I initially would be making on my other trades, like if I was using my prop risk. So what I should have had today was 10. At least 10 units. More so 11, right? Because when we hit that 1 to 2, what I should have been taking is $700. So this is literally like my second time taking the trade on this platform with all this risk management shit. I guess I'm still adjusting. Tell you what, one thing, boys. I have been doing a lot of fucking back testing shit. And yeah, if I continue with the strategy that I've set out for myself on my system, it should all be good, if I say the least. And we should be fucking buying Lambos and supercars within fucking 5 days. So like I say, NQ. Took the buy. There was like $150 risk. One trade, W micros. Took fucking, was it 5 micros I did? Yeah, 5. Stop loss today was 15. Risk reward 1. Well, 0.5, but in this case it was 1. But I'm going to put 0.5. So I under risk today. Fucked around with stop loss. Missed my exit. And yeah. But we keep it moving, right? We keep it fucking moving. Did I follow my rules? Yeah. Besides under risking accidentally, we did follow the rules. Today was all obviously a W. So yeah, we're up. We are up. Now the strategy, basically the strategy I'm going with is 1 trade per day. So it's called the one. This is the reason why I call it the 1-shot system. 1 trade per day. One trade per day. 1 session and 1 pair. I'm not looking at US 30 or fucking gold. I'm just looking at NQ, and all I'm doing is 1 trade per day. 15 to 30 pip stop loss. We're looking for a $350 risk on each trade. And I'm always going to be risking, I'm always going to be aiming for the 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Stops to break even at a 1 to 1. Trade only high volume breakouts today like I did, which is New York session. And no chasing and over trading, right? Because my long-term plan is to, once I pass 1 account, I take the money in the payout from the first account and the first payout that will soon come. And I'm going to invest all that money into buying 5 accounts with My Funded Futures, which is My Funded Futures, which is the prop firm I'm using on futures, which is such a fucking game changer, so clean, right? Honestly, this is so much better. Like, I can't give 2 flying fucks about clarity traders or like CFD prop firms anymore. I mean, I won't speak for CFD prop firms as a whole, but futures, the way you get in, the way you get out, for this strategy for breakouts, it's like mind-blowing, the fact that we even use CFDs at this point. Prop firms, that is, because they have delayed data, because it's simulated data. It's not actually directly from the source, so it's not as clean. And the spreads and all that bullshit is just something I did not want to deal with, hence why I blew the account on purpose a few weeks ago. So boys, throughout this challenge, what my risk is going to be is meant to be $350, which is 0.7 of the account. I'm looking for 1 to 2s every day. 5 wins equivalates me passing the account, right? And the daily loss is 1.1k, max drawdowns 2.5. So essentially I have 7 shots. If I have 7 consecutive losses in a row, then I blow the account. But 1 win makes up for 2 losses. That's the whole plan of this. And I have to hit 3k, right?